Hello friends, this is Parkavi from Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Department at SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about basics of generative AI. I first give the introduction to generative AI. So what do you think artificial intelligence is? It is a human-like thinking. So, artificial intelligence refers to a system designed to mimic human cognitive abilities such as learning, reasoning, perception, and decision making. These systems process data, identify patterns, and make informed choices without explicit programming for every scenario. Recommendation systems personalized content suggestions based on user behavior and preferences. Image recognition, identifying the objects, faces, and patterns in visual data with high accuracy. Predictive analytics, forecasting future outcomes using historical data and statistical model. So, what is artificial intelligence? So, it is a machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing, and robotics. For machine learning, using a simple data to train a computer programs to recognize the patterns based on algorithms. Neural networks, computer system designed to imitate the neurons in a brain. Natural language processing, the ability to understand the speech as well as understand and analyze the documents. So, next comes robotics, machines that can assist people without an actual human involvement. So I have shared some examples. So AI can be used for various situations, but these are some examples for AI in our daily life. Recommendation system, navigation apps, facial recognition, text editors, e-commerce, chatbot, autonomous vehicles, virtual assistants. So, how does machine learning relate to AI? Although the terms of artificial intelligence and machine learning are frequently used interchangeably, machine learning is a subset of the large category of the AI. Artificial intelligence signifies the computer's general ability to mimic human thought where while carrying out the task in a real world environment. Machine learning implies to the technology's algorithm that allows the system to recognize the patterns, make decisions, and improve themselves through the experience and the data. So, what is the problem can AI solve in cybersecurity? Detecting the spam. So, we can priorly detect the spam mails in our mail. Next, healthcare, medical records. The patient record must be viewed seriously and maintained carefully. So, here it plays a particular role. Research, idea, generation, finding the data. Transportation, self-driving cars. From a traditional AI to generative AI. So what is a traditional AI? Analyzing the existing data to predict the outcomes or classify the information into the predefined categories. Classification task, pattern recognition, decision prediction. Predictive analytics, fraud detection, personalized recommendation, and business process automation are the traditionals of the AI. From now we can see about the generative AI creates the entirely new content by learning the patterns from training data and generative novel outputs, text generation, image synthesis, design creation, and code generation. So I have shared some real world examples for generative AI comes under the financial forecasting, customer behavior analysis, demand forecasting, healthcare diagnosis and prognosis, fraud detection, fashion and product design, virtual worlds, content creation, music composition, and art and design. So what is a generative AI comes for? It is a pattern learning. The pattern learning is also called the predefined data is studied with full fill to analyze and give the solution. So generative AI analyzes the thousands of examples to understand the underlying data patterns and probability distributors. Novel generation creates an entirely a new data instance that resemble a human created content but not completely original. Statistic approach work with probability distributions rather than fixed rules, enabling the flexible and creative outputs. Thank you.